Okay, so this video will show you how to add your privacy policy to your Wix website, and I'll show you everything you need to know about privacy policies in a couple of minutes for your Wix website. So first you need to go ahead and go to Pages and Menu, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a new page. So I'm going to go down here to Add Page, and I'll just call it Privacy Policy. So to do this, we'll go to Blank Page, and here you can see it's added a new page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Sites, Pages and Menu, and we'll just call this Privacy Policy. And then I'm going to click on Done, and I'm also going to drag this to the very end. What I'm also going to do is click on the three dots. I'm going to go to Settings, and I'm just going to hide it from the menu. So you can see now you should no longer see it on the page here. So now we need to go to this page. So make sure you click on it, and it should take you to a blank page where you can then go ahead and add elements. And I'm going to add a paragraph, and we'll click on this one here. Now what we can do is we can enter in our privacy policy here, but wait, we're not done yet. We do need to link it from the home page. So we can get our privacy policy from freeprivacypolicygenerator.com. If you just go ahead and Google for privacy policy generator, and you can use any of these which will generate you a free privacy policy. It doesn't matter which one you use. So this is Google's privacy policy. So let's say we've already generated one, and we're just going to go ahead and copy one from Google. So we'll copy this. And then we'll go back to Wix, and we can simply paste in our privacy policy here. So now you've got your privacy policy. What you can do is you can go back to your home page. So go to Pages and then go Home. Now what you need to do is you need to go ahead and link to your privacy policy somewhere visible on your home page. So go to Add Elements, then go Text, and we'll just go Titles, Small Title, and then here with this text box, I'll just edit it so it says Privacy Policy, and we'll just make this really small. Okay, so you'll make it small, but I'll keep it big for the video. Then what you can do is you can hide it anywhere, like you can go to the bottom of your website and hide it. But the most important thing is you link it, and you want to link it to a page, and we want it to open on a current window, and we can then link it to our privacy policy page. So here is our privacy policy page. We'll click Done. And now this links to the privacy policy page, and the only way you can get there is through this link. So that's how you do it. I hope that video did help you out.